broken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the dark.
Hey everybody, welcome to my Kinky Roots. Welcome back if you are already subscribed, and if you're not, you already know I'm about to say. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I promise you do not want to miss how I achieve this style here. Today I'll be showing you a complete wash day. I'll be using a shampoo bar and not actual shampoo today, so that'll be a little interesting. So if you want to see how I achieve this look with hella definition, shine, and bounce, stay tuned. So today I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Bentonite Clay Shampoo Bar. So first off, I'm thinking to myself, does this shampoo bar really work? And yes, it definitely does work. It truly cleanses my hair. Definitely helps out with my scalp. Make sure if you're going to use it that you start on wet hair. So I did a hot oil treatment pre-poo before and rinsed that out, and then I began to section my hair into 4 sections and then separate it further to make sure that I was really getting my scalp clean with the shampoo bar. Okay, so I have rinsed my shampoo out of my hair, and now we'll be applying my deep conditioner. For my deep conditioner today, I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's Anti-Breakage Mask. This has biotin in it, which is definitely great for strengthening hair. Here it is here. And since I've colored my hair, I'm definitely making sure that I deep condition my hair every week. That's not a question anymore. I have to make sure that I keep my hair moisturized and protected and strengthened while I have this color in my hair, because I don't got time for no color damage. I don't know about you, but I don't got time for that. So definitely making sure that I run the conditioner completely through my hair, run my fingers through my hair, detangling my hair all at the same time to just really work the deep conditioner into my hair. So after I completely put the deep conditioner in my hair, I'm going to put on a plastic cap. How long I leave my deep conditioner on really just depends on my day. If I don't have much time, 30 minutes and I'm done. But if I really don't have anything to do, I'm going to let my deep conditioner sit on. So I'm going to start with my leave-in conditioner, which is going to be my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. Then for my cream, I'm going to use the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout cream mixed with the Curl Control jelly. And normally I use an oil, so that means I will be using the LCO method. But instead of an oil today, I'm going to use something a little bit thicker, and I'm going to be using the Main Choices Doesn't Get Much Butter Than This. If you seem to have this problem with one of your twists, I know especially for mine in the front, like I twisted it just now and the twist just didn't seem tight, so I unraveled it and twisted in the opposite direction and it came out completely fine. So for some reason I just needed to twist that piece of hair in the opposite direction. Okay, so it is the next day. So last night I just slept with my satin bonnet on my hair, and then the next day my hair is now completely dry, and I'm going to take down with Jamaican Black Castor Oil Extra Dark. So the one thing I love about a 2-strand twist, they're so easy to take down. Literally, you just go to the root, split it, and unravel it. It's literally that simple. So I have completely separated my hair, and now I'm going to style my 2-strand twist. So I'm just literally going to spray my hair with water to get the back more manageable, add a little bit of gel, brush it up, and then begin to place my bobby pins around my head. Literally, y'all, the first time I did this style, it was because I did a 2-strand twist and I didn't like the way it came out. So then I just started adding bobby pins and I came up with this cute side pineapple. Super easy, super cute. It definitely adds a little twist, especially for me since I don't do styles a lot, which I'm going to try to do more of. I really am trying, y'all. But definitely adds so much more sass. I love this style. So now that my bobby pins are in place, I'm just going to fluff and play around with my hair to make it form to the shape that I want. Continue to separate as much as you want or as little as you want, just to make it look how you want it to look, to fit your face. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Thank you for watching today, and if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe. And shout out to A Dose of Fab. This video would not have happened without her. She requested a tutorial on this style. I did this style over a year ago, and it's really good to see how much fuller and how much my hair has grown since then. But definitely shout out to her. Follow her. Fashion blogger, great content. So make sure, you know, I gotta say it again, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more from My Kinky Roots.